Welcome back to Hidden Oaks Homestead. I got the kids out here with me, and we wanted to update you on some projects that we've done throughout the summer that we've been working on, with a lot of moving around of animals, a lot of building that we've been doing, and show you what we've built.
Sometimes you're gonna have losses on the farm. We just lost a feed bowl. It happens.
We've been taking care of a lot of projects this year with moving around some livestock from the northern pasture to the southern pasture and back, and we still really haven't figured out where we want everybody. And with a couple of the new projects that we've got going on, like Zachary's chickens, we needed to put some other things in place in order to have somewhere to keep them separate. One of the things that you hear us talking about a lot is community. Your local community, and just the community that you build around yourself, is one of the most important things that you have to think about when you're living in this lifestyle. Locally, we're always looking for things to learn, things to share, used equipment, and one of the things that we found locally was a playset from a local family here. And
as always, I'm hiding in the barn milking.
Always. She's always milking. She's always milking, we're always building, and we're always finding stuff. And we found this local family. They were giving away a playset for free, so we went, picked it up, disassembled it at their place, brought it over here and assembled it here. Amber in the barn milking, as always, and Zachary with his power tools, having fun putting it together. So make sure you check with your local community, check on the marketplaces, check on Craigslist. There's always things out there that you can find for cheaper than necessarily going and buying it new. You helping? So a lot of the projects that we've been taking care of have been animal-based projects. And again, local sourcing has been our secret this year. We got that free playground, which is amazing, and the goats enjoy it, and well, the cows just kind of hang out, and the dogs hang out, and everybody just kind of likes the shade that it provides. We have the enclosure for the chickens, and we also found a local custom-made chicken coop, sort of on the side of the road with a for sale sign on them. It ended up being a dad and his son. That was their little project, and they really didn't need the coop. So we got it from them, and they did an amazing job. Zachary was talking about the coop in a previous video, so make sure you check it out and get the little coop scoop and the story behind it. I'll leave a link up here and you can check that video out.
What we're gonna do is remove this door so that the goats can get in and out and won't get trapped.
She's trying. Oh! Another thing we found locally was a large dog kennel. We found a local company that built them, custom make them, and it was 4 times as big as the 2 that we had previously purchased from big box companies. So it worked perfectly for what we're doing with Zachary's Tolbund chickens. They have to be kept separate.
You talked about my Tolbund chickens?
I did. I did. You want to tell them about them?
Yes. They're a few weeks old now, and now they have a cool hairstyle.
They do have a cool hairstyle now, and they're about to be ready to move outside, right?
Yep.
So we have to set them up in a separate area because we can't really mix them in with the other big chickens
because our roosters will mate with those special Tolbund chickens, and they won't be special anymore.
they're gonna mess up the genetics, aren't they?
Yeah.
So we gotta keep them separate, and we found this local farmer who custom builds these enclosures, and he brought it here and we set it up. Get on, go. This way, there you go. You have no feelings. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and enjoyed us showing you what we're building for the animals and what we're putting in place. We will see you in the next video.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.